It's finally finished. This is the project that I've been working on for the last several months, and I am so excited to finally be at the point where it's going on the market. It is official. It's going on the market tomorrow. So, what has happened in the front? There were lots of trees and shrubs and things in the front that needed to be removed, and the grass was essentially dead. The roof has been replaced. The front, the trims, what do you call those? Soffits and fascia have been painted and updated, pressure washed the driveway, and repaired the fence areas on both sides and in the backyard.